Nike's Calm Elevation Slide returns in its most versatile form yet with the triple black colorway, designed for all-day comfort and effortless style, no matter the season. Building on the original Calm Slide's foam construction, this updated version swaps in a sleek faux leather strap for a more elevated, lifestyle-ready look. The monochromatic black finish extends from the footbed to the outsole, while subtle tonal branding keeps the aesthetic clean and understated. A double-stacked sole adds both extra height and improved cushioning, enhancing comfort with every step. With its all-black design and upgraded materials, the Calm Elevation Slide Triple Black fits seamlessly into Nike's growing range of casual footwear, offering a stylish option that moves easily from indoors to out. Retail price is $60.